Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create a group chat on Instagram. And the first step is go to the application of Instagram. And after that, you need to go to the superior part on your feed, in your feed, and you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of your DMs. And after that, you need to go to the same in the superior right corner in the and this cube with a pencil you pick here, and you need to put here in the option of create a group chat. So the only thing, the last step you need to do is choose the people who want to be in this group, for example this, and you pick here and create a group chat. After that, you got the group chat. The people can leave this group if they don't want to in this group, but you can create in this way. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.